GetonAgain SM Co., Ltd., located in GetonAgain BOD Economic Development Zone. We operate a 15,000 square meters production center and a 2,000 square meters RD center. We serve industries such as apparel, home textiles, furniture, automotive, medical, and industrial engineering. We provide tailored solutions combining custom non-standard products with mass-produced standard products, including mechatronic machines, automated production lines, and intelligent factory solutions. Pattern room equipment includes magic inkjet plotter, 2 cartridge with maximum printing speed at 110 square meters per hour, 4 cartridge with maximum printing speed at 200 square meters per hour. Vertical inkjet cutting plotter, 1 machine multiple functions, pattern drawing with cutting or standalone drawing. High-quality rotary cutting knife can cut min 80 grams per square meter paper for sample design, cost saving. Flatbed inkjet cutting plotter, both bitmap printing and cutting function, suitable for personalization, configured long knife or short knife, and optional fixed knife sleeve or elastic knife sleeve, suitable for cutting various materials. Digitizer, easily reading paper patterns, convenient positioning, simple operation, accurately reading patterns, enable to speed up the design. It is a powerful tool for traditional manual drawing digitization. Flatbed scanning digitizer, 1 button to start after placing scanning pieces, can vacuum adsorption auto scanning auto transmission, according to different models, support ultra-long with scanning speed up to 7,200 mm/minute. Cutting equipment includes automatic spreading machine, easily set the spreading method, length, speed, quantity and sections, with intuitive as well as simple operation. Dual use for both knit and woven fabrics, suitable for t-shirts, children's clothing, loungewear, and toy textiles. Automatic spreading machine, suitable for automatic fabric spreading of seats, bags, outdoor furniture and medical supplies. For working with heavy fabric roll. Smart cutting device, the intelligent adjustable cutting device allows for adjustable speed and distance, ensuring neat and stable cuts. Cutting unit and main unit can be quickly and easily detached or attached. Automatic spreading machine 2 to 6 rolls, suitable for automatic fabric spreading of seats, bags, outdoor furniture and medical supplies. Independent fabric rack, RBU, rolls of fabric can be operated at the same time. Flexi spread device, flexible fabric clamping structure, simulating manual fabric clamping. Auto sensing fabric spreading tension, eliminating fabric curling problem due to excessive tension during spreading. Automatic multi-layer cutting machine, through the combination of micron-level intelligent sensing components and an intelligent control system, dynamic compensation and correction of cutter deformation during cutting operations are achieved. Automatic single-layer cutting machine, no need to create specialized cutting molds. Cutting can be performed precisely by directly importing CAD design drawings into the equipment. Optimizes cutting paths, integrates repeated cutting lines, allows for pre-simulation of the cutting process, and supports continuous cutting for extra long materials. Strap and plaid matching cutting machine, equipped with a few HD industrial cameras, according to the capture size to perform intelligent combination. Ensure the high accuracy fabric images capturing. Strap and plaid matching auto cutter, equipped with double knives and pen draw punching working mode, special for various stripes and plaids fabric cutting in single ply. Computerized embroidery machine, high-speed embroidery has with extremely low failure rates, long service life, low noise, and stable, reliable quality. Equipped with an upper thread clamping device to prevent thread detachment and breakage, ensuring excellent embroidery results. Suitable for textile and garment manufacturing, footwear, hats, bags, home decoration, automotive interiors, and industrial products area. Embroidery equipment includes Cloud Smart Teaching Embroidery Machine, suitable for integrated theoretical and practical teaching of computer embroidery in fields such as fashion and apparel design, clothing design and engineering. Mixed chenille chain stitch embroidery machine, mixed embroidery feature, according to color sequence settings, switchable between chenille embroidery flat embroidery, simplified operation. Chenille needle height can be adjusted for 10 levels according to chenille pile height or chain stitch thread thickness to chenille pile height or chain stitch thread thickness. Multifunctional embroidery on garment, shoes caps, home textile, toys, bags and luggage, art craft, etc. Multi-head tubular embroidery machine multi-head series, suitable for embroidering on flat, caps, garments, shoes, belts, bags, etc. Auto thread framers, auto color change, auto thread brake detection, 270 degrees wide angle cap system, red light locating, LED lighting. Computerized 5-in-1 embroidery machine, integrated 5 functions in one machine, flat embroidery, quilling, tape cording embroidery, chenille, chain stitch embroidery, double sequin device, laser cutting function, high precision, strong stereo sense, ideal artistic effect, suitable for embroidery of apparel, home textile, furniture, teaching, design and arts and crafts, etc. Computerized mixed embroidery machine, multifunctional integration, flat embroidery, cording embroidery, chenille, chain stitch embroidery, sequin embroidery, and laser embroidery. Expandable options, supports additional modules such as laser process. Fast switching between flat embroidery or quilling embroidery or chenille embroidery and chenille embroidery, allowing you to choose any embroidery type as needed. Applications, suitable for embroidery on garments, home textiles, home decor, education areas, RD, and arts crafts products. Computerized wearing machine Model G. Large spool device reduces heating wire replacement frequency during production. Automatic wire feeding device for resistance wire or other wires, with adjustable feed amount and feed fault alarms. Suitable for wiring heating wires in automotive seats, steering wheels, and complete interior heating products. Also applicable for automotive hands-off detection hot product wearing. Carbon fiber placement stitching machine. Suitable for the layup and stitching of carbon fiber materials in industries, such as automotive, aerospace, and bicycle manufacturing, enables precise. Features an independent feeding path for carbon fiber, significantly reducing fiber abrasion and ensuring material integrity. Tufting series equipment includes computerized tufting machines, rotary tufting head in any angle, avoid positive-negative stitching difference, higher efficiency, better tufting result, suitable for various rugs, carpets, hanging carpet, tapestry, etc. Those flooring decorative and home furnishing products tufting. Laser equipment includes small format camera positioning laser engraver cutting machine, supports array recognition processing, with options for full sheet recognition, followed by cutting or simultaneous recognition and cutting. Features multi-template mixed cutting, allowing the recognition and positioning of different patterns to be completed in a single operation. Laser engraving and cutting machine, high cutting precision and fast cutting speed, suitable for clothing, home textiles, furniture, luggage, toys, car interiors, shoemaking, and other industries. Cutting and carving of non-metallic materials in the industry. Automatic feeding laser cutting machine, large format vision recognition + auto receiving table, advanced vision system with high resolution industrial camera captures real-time images of material patterns, accurately detects outer contours to perform precise cuts, resolving issues such as distortion in printed or stretch fabrics. Fully automatic large format laser cutting machine with inkjet device, large format automatic feeding system, designed to meet the requirements for feeding and cutting whole rolls of fabric. Inkjet and cutting functions, integrated for enhanced versatility. Applicable to industries such as custom clothing, single-piece cutting, sofas, toys, footwear and headwear, textile print pattern positioning cutting, automotive interiors, industrial filtration, and advertising, etc. Sewing equipment includes automatic arbitrary rotary single needle leather sewing machine, suitable for automated leather pattern sewing in the fields of automotive interiors, car seat covers, car door panels, airplane seats, and leather furniture upholstery. Sewing head can rotate at any angle, avoiding differences between forward and reverse stitches, improving sewing efficiency and stitch quality. Max speed holds midnight head, 2,500 stitches, min. Fully automatic 360 degrees template sewing machine auto feeding. Ideal for automated sewing of thin, thick materials including quilted garments, down jackets, pillowcases, etc. Dual auto feeding system enhances efficiency and reduces operator fatigue. Vertical head lift easy template replacement and convenient for step over sewing. Fully automatic 360° double needle heavy duty template sewing machine. Automotive seats, automotive airbags, automotive interiors, home furnishings, and other double thread heavy duty sewing. Features include automatic thread trimming, emergency stop, thread, breakage detection, bobbin thread counting, data input saving, and Mattress border pattern sewing machine. Pneumatic presser frame. Securely holds fabric in place for more beautiful stitching and allows for wide-range horizontal frame movement. Machine head with micro oil head design ensures fabric remains free from all contamination during sewing. Pneumatic positioning device guarantees high precision alignment at panel joints. Advanced sewing technology for mattress side borders. Fully automatic perforation and sewing integrated machine. Punching machine head is specifically designed and developed for leather materials, equipped with various round punching tools specifications. Sewing head up moving stroke in 50 mm, providing sufficient space for material loading and easy operation. Fully automatic embroidery and sewing integrated machine. 9-color embroidery machine head to meet the embroidery needs of different industries. The embroidery thread clamping mechanism incorporates a novel upper thread clamping assembly, effectively reducing thread breakage and slippage occurrences during operation. Specially designed sewing machine head for leather materials, producing beautiful stitching. Presser foot height is motor controlled and highly adjustable. Fully automatic perforation round hole and embroidery and sewing rotating head machine. Integrates punching, embroidery, and sewing into one machine, allowing for arbitrary pattern design and seamless combinations of punching, embroidery, and sewing for complex processes. The 9-color embroidery head meet the embroidery needs of various industries. Sewing machine head features an arbitrary rotation structure, creating beautiful stitching, reducing frame movement frequency, and improving efficiency. Fully automatic round perforation and 9-color embroidery and fixed head sewing machine Super M. Suitable for punching and embroidering and sewing processes for various types and thicknesses of genuine leather and microfiber leather used in automotive seats, car interiors, aviation seats, luggage and furniture, etc. Fully automatic perforation special hole and embroidery and sewing rotating head machine. Integrates punching, embroidery, and sewing into one machine, allowing for arbitrary pattern design and seamless combinations of punching, embroidery, and sewing for complex processes. Specially developed punching machine head for leather materials. The 9-color embroidery head meet the embroidery needs of various industries. Sewing machine head features an arbitrary rotation structure, creating beautiful stitching, reducing frame movement frequency, and improving efficiency. Automatic high-speed leather perforating machine per punching processing of leather or microfiber leather with various types and different thickness, such as car seats, aviation seats, shoes, bags and furniture, etc. The XY axis uses a ball screw direct drive for high-precision punching. Single head machines can make up to 2000 小时 oz per minute, and double head ones up to 4000. Automatic template sewing machine rotary head heavy material. Both the X and the Y axis use a screw and slide transmission method, providing high precision and good stability. Suitable for pattern sewing on leather and heavy materials, such as car seats, sofas, massage chairs, boat interiors, and aircraft seats. Automatic mattress protector skirting sewing machine interlock and overlock. Upper head with Pegasus interlock sewing. Lower head with Pegasus overlocking machine overlock stitches. High speed and stable performance. Suitable for processing fitted sheets, all in one to finish binding stitching of elastic rope cord and bed skirt, and the overlocking of bed skirt to mattress protector topper layer. Quilting equipment includes computerized multi-head rotary hook quilting machine model and double row lock stitch multi-head quilter with large rotary hook. Max speed of 1500 rpm, more than 2 to 3 of normal shuttle quilting machine. Greatly improves work efficiency. 3-fold capacity rotary hook, less bobbin changing frequency. Beautiful stitches, no lost stitch, no thread loops. Computerized multi-head rotary hook quilting machine model E. 5-time jumbo rotary hook, less bobbin changing frequency. Beautiful stitches, no lost stitch, no thread loops. The interval between the upper and lower needle bars can be adjusted to any value from 3 to 9 inches. The lower needle bar can move half a needle pitch in the X direction, so that quilting needle bars of different sizes and patterns can be combined, especially for some non-standard size patterns, which can achieve a unique effect. Computerized multi-needle shuttle quilting machine flying shuttle, for quilting of fitted sheet, bed covers, summer quilts and clothing products with quilting pattern. Computerized multi-needle chain stitch quilting machine. Servo motor-driven rollers and lead screws ensure precise quilting patterns, suitable for mattresses, mattress covers, sofas, bedding, home textiles and home decor. Computerized single needle quilting machine lifting head. The extendable quilting frame can be freely adjusted according to required size. GetonAgain quilting head. Independent presser foot drive. Suitable for various of material with different thickness. Automatic lifting head. Easily change the frame after finishing quilting. Computerized single head quilting machine frame type belt support. It is suitable for large area quilting and high quality pattern products, such as furniture upholstery, sofas, headboards, soft beds, conference enclosures, or products with heavier materials, such as gravity quilts, etc. Continuous feeding gantry type single needle quilting machine. Suitable for single needle automatic quilting of mattresses, duvets, blankets, mattress protectors, upholstered furniture, and similar products. Fully automated workflow, automatic feeding, material pulling, quilting, and cutting, all completed in one integrated process. Continuous feeding gantry type single needle quilting machine double saddle model. Double saddle frame design allows simultaneous quilting of two pieces, doubling quilting efficiency. Specially designed lift type quilting head with a lifting height up to 150 mm. Suitable for quilting materials of various thicknesses. Maximum speed of 3000 revolutions per minute. Rotary head precision sewing machine. Baffle box duvet. Suitable for the sewing of baffle box duvets, sewn-through duvets, baffle sleeping bags, and sewn-through sleeping bags, among other home textile products. Sewing head and rotary hook assembly can achieve precise, synchronous rotation at any spatial angle, ensuring the bobbin always remains perpendicular to the stitching direction for consistently the positive sewing. Precision stepper motor ensures tape feeding is perfectly synchronized with needle movement, with adjustable feeding speed and automatic cutting to preset lengths. High-speed liftable sewing head with a maximum lifting height of 100 mm to accommodate products of varying thicknesses. Computerized single color single row quilting and embroidery machine model A. Summer quilts, bedspreads, mattress protectors, pillowcases, blankets, garments, car seat covers, car floor mats and furniture upholstery, etc. Maximum speed 1000 rpm. Recommended operating speed 750 to 850 rpm. Ultrasonic equipment includes ultrasonic slitting machine. Adopted ultrasonic cutting technology. Ensures smooth cutting edges, precision edge cutting, no deformation, burr free without freeing, no fiber pull, and no edge curling problem after cutting. Cutting rollers and patterns can be customized to meet various needs. Automatic ultrasonic quilting machine, integrating ultrasonic sewing and ultrasonic edge sealing and cutting automation into one, completing the process in a single step. Ultrasonic quilting machine, to bond multi-layer of polyester fabric, non-woven fabric, polyester wadding, or artificial leather, etc., and emboss different patterns on it. Patterns are clear and beautiful, and fabric doesn't deform, with strong bonding and high efficiency. Visual recognition and inspection equipment includes cut piece visual inspection instruments. After manual placement, one-click start allows for automatic scanning, automatic inspection of cut pieces, and automatic data storage. Scanning speed can reach up to 120 mm per second, with no need for additional lighting, ensuring reliable use in all weather conditions. Scanning resolution is 150 to 300 dpi. And the high-definition panoramic 1:1 image ensures that the inner-outer contours of the cut pieces are clearly visible. Automated production line series includes multi-needle quilting machine flying shuttle and cutting machine and 4-side tape binding machine production line. Multi-needle quilting machine. The raw materials are quilted and fixed lock stitches, mainly used to process quilt cores and cushions. Cutting machine. Cut the quilted semi-finished materials, including trimming, fixed length cutting, slitting and rolling and other functions. Alignment platform. Material transfer alignment mechanism. The cutting block waits to enter the next sequence on this platform, and at the same time, the cutting block is aligned with the subsequent reference processing position by translation. Automatic tape binding machine. The cutting piece is processed by the tape binding machine. Make the edge of the cut piece beautiful. The machine rounded corner tape binding process. The cutting and tape binding are integrated, and all actions are completed automatically. computerized multi-head rotary hook quilting machine and 4-side edge sewing machine, capable of quilting patterns in various sizes without changing needle positions, greatly enhancing operational efficiency. Double row machine with lower needles row can move half of the head distance in X direction, creating combination patterns of different sizes when coordinated with the upper needles. Longitudinal sewing, double chain stitch optional lock stitch or overlock stitch, transversal sewing, multi-needle chain stitch sewing, transversal cutting between the 4 stitches, cutting as per set length and feeding to next sequence. Automatic blanket straight corner binding machine, capable of holding 2 rows of fabric non-elastic, equipped with edge alignment function, automatically pull and cut into panels. Pulling lengths can be set freely. 4-side tape binding sewing process for inelastic blankets. Automatic bed sheet production line. A fully automated bed sheet production line composed of a feeding mechanism, an adjustable with longitudinal sewing mechanism, a fixed length transverse cutting mechanism, an automatic transverse conveying mechanism, an automatic hemming transverse seam mechanism, and a discharging mechanism. Automatic bed sheet to side hemming machine, suitable for continuous double-sided hemming and cutting of fabrics in home textile products manufacturing, such as bed sheets, flat sheets, and curtains. Automatically pulls out fabric to the preset length. After stacking the preset quantity of bed sheets, machine conveys them laterally for discharge. Automatic vacuum pillow filling production line. This production line is suitable for loosening and weighing filling polyester short fiber raw materials greater than 0.7D into products such as pillows, cushions, back cushions, and sofa pads. Fully automatic one-button start, precise weighing filling, simple operation, and uniform filling. PLC program control, automatic cotton feeding, negative pressure cotton filling, and automatic clamping tools for bagging. Automatic sewing machine towel cross sewing machine. Intelligent control, one-touch start. One operator can control multiple units, reducing labor intensity. Edge folding and sewing of unfinished and non-elastic towels. Edge folding and sewing of unfinished and non-elastic towels. Pre-sewing auxiliary equipment includes automatic edge alignment, relaxing machine, air blowing, roll fabric unmounted and folded as flat fold state to achieve the tension-free for fabric placing. Wave-type air blowing device. In loosening fabric process, fabric is relaxed by the blowing device. Post-finishing equipment includes automatic folding and packaging machine. Equipment mainly composited with folding device, rolling device, stacking and compress plus conveyor device. Folding device. After the quilt is detected and transported to the designated position by sensors, a robotic arm folds the quilt into a strip shape. After being detected by sensors, the strip-shaped quilt is transported to the designated position and folded into a block shape by a robotic arm. Rolling device. The strip-shaped quilt is transported to the automatic rolling device to complete the rolling process. Quilt roll packing machine, suitable for rolling and packing of fluffy items such as quilts, pillow, cushion, etc., to reduce the volume and storage, as well as lower transportation cost. Packing item is auto-feeding from backward to forward by the belt during the compressing process and rolled to pack into the bag. Garment CAD includes garment CAD, super nesting, template CAD, intelligent tufting CAD, wire stitching CAD, perforation and embroidery CAD. In addition, GetonAgain has developed a digital operation and management system for industries such as garment processing and machinery manufacturing. This system helps customers improve production efficiency and management levels. Its features can be summarized as the 4-1: 1 industrial enterprise, 1 technology platform, 1 data standard, and 1 operating system. It is the optimal choice for enterprises to achieve digital transformation and intelligent upgrading. Furthermore, by integrating Internet and IoT technologies, the company has developed an enterprise operating condition IoT management system, which enables the interconnection of all equipment, products, energy consumption, environment, and security within the enterprise. This system interacts seamlessly with the enterprise digital operation and management system, building a multifunctional integrated platform for enterprises. It enables functions such as data collection, real-time monitoring, data analysis, and remote management.